Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. TMax here. I vlog about language, culture, and travel. And last time we started a new series where we're talking about useless Mandarin and Chinese that's probably not going to be helpful for you, but it's helping me to improve my Chinese, and you just get to sit there and listen and enjoy. And yeah, so let's do more of that today. Okay, so today we're going to talk about loanwords, and we're going to make this into a game. I'm going to say the Chinese character and put the characters on the screen, and I'll give you a few seconds to guess what you think the English word is that is borrowed. No, that the Chinese borrowed from English. That's it. So for example, pizza. So you've heard it, and you see the characters here on the screen. Think about what that could mean. And yeah, you're right, it's pizza. Okay, so we're gonna do a bunch of these and I'll give you a few seconds to think, and at the end you tell me how many you got right in the comments, and if you get them all right, you'll win $1 million imaginary dollars. And like the disclaimer in the last video, I'm probably gonna butcher these tones, so to all the native Mandarin speakers, sorry in advance. And to all the people who don't speak Chinese, be prepared to learn some Chinese that you're probably never gonna get to use. Wei ta ming. Wei ta ming. Vitamin. 咖啡 咖啡 coffee 可口可乐 可口可乐 Coca-Cola 麦克风 麦克风 microphone 卡路里 卡路里Calorie, salami, 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 巧克力 巧克力 chocolate, 金刚芭比 金刚芭比 King Kong Barbie. This one is used to refer to female bodybuilders. Karaoke, karaoke, karaoke. And it's funny because there's okay is literally just English letters. There's no Chinese character for that. Tissue, tissue, t-shirt. And again, a lot of times they'll use the English letter T, but there actually is a character for this one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, literally means bye-bye. But bye-bye ro. Ro is meat. So bye-bye ro is the skin, the fat that hangs here under your arm. So when you wave bye, it moves as the bye-bye meat. Okay, so how many of those did you know? Leave a comment below, let me know, are there some other interesting ones that you've heard that you think are funny or interesting? Leave those comments below. Again, remember to like, share, subscribe, and we will be back to learn some more Chinese next time.
Hey, I just wanted to tell you some mistakes that you made in last videos.
What? No way. I definitely got it all right. I did like 5 minutes of research, so I'm sure I got it all right.
No, you still made some mistakes.
I'm sure I got it all right.
No, you still got it wrong.
Don't listen to her, guys. She doesn't know what she's talking about. I definitely got it all right. I did research and everything. Who are you gonna believe? Me or her?